Well, I'm just going to call up Norm and Julie if you want to make your way up here. Julie and Norm. And while they're making their way up here, I just want to speak for a minute. How many of you love coming to the tent? How many of you love that the Lord pours into us? You know, the Lord pours into us so that we can go do outreach, which means we're reaching out, right? And that's exactly what the Kingsway is about. And I love what this is, unifying glory. And I just want to share a quick testimony before Norm and Julie share some testimony of what's going on at the Kingsway. Very exciting things are happening. The other day we had Chris. We had, what's her name? Yes. Pam, Chris and Pam, we had Candy Gowd come in, and what they ended up doing was they brought all these little children to the Kingsway Outreach Center. They were from the age of anywhere from 8 to 12 years old, and what happened was they came on their own free accord and played all day long worship for those in the Kingsway. And I'm telling you, come lunch at 1:30, those young children served all day. We didn't have to do anything. We got to spend our time sitting with the children. And I'm telling you, that totally affected those that were in the Kingsway, how they watched them play and beat on that drum and sing their beautiful little heart out for the Lord. And then they went around with a packed out house at the Kingsway serving the people. And that really affected and touched those people's heart there. How many of you know that God is using the children, the young ones, to lead the way? As well as we had another group of people coming, and there is a team we joined together with, and it's called Liberty for Youth. And it's in our community, and they got wind of the Kingsway. We've partnered with them. They're a part of Transformation Hamilton. And there's a young gentleman that run that, and he goes right on the street and gathers all the youth. And it's called Liberty for Youth. And what he does is every day now, he brings a crew of young people. I'm talking anywhere from the age of 12 to 16 years old. And what they do, and not all of them are saved. They're from the street. Some of them know the Lord and some of them don't. But what they do is they take their time to come in and serve the people of the Kingsway. And I just love the fact that because what I'm seeing at the Kingsway in the natural is we got the 8 to 12-year-olds, we got the 12 to 16-year-olds, we got the 16 to 25-year-olds, we got the 30-year-olds, the 40-year-olds, all the way up to the 70s are coming and unifying for God's glory. And so what it is in the natural, it is in the spirit realm. And I love how God is bringing everyone together, young and old, to allow his purposes to go forth, that he would be glorified. Amen? So we're going to hear some stories of how Norm and Julie were affected.